Hello YouTube viewers, thank you so much for tuning into my channel today. And I recently shared with you a video and it was a tour of my closet. Now you see that the clothing is all cramped up in there. It's actually better than it was because what I did was I removed everything, put it all back, and I tried to color coordinate a little bit. As you can see, these colors here are all the orangey and red. We have some blues here, and then it goes into black and the whites. You see the greens. So what I'm saying here is that it looks cramped up because I purposely did that. I sacrificed the rest of the rack so that I can make this entire area here a display. So that's why I have all that space here now, because I sacrificed all this area that could have been for clothing. But it still works because all the tops are here, and I have a rack here of pants, but you can't see that right now because I have a whole bunch of stuff on there. But anyway, I'm organizing and I removed everything that I had on these shelves. So I'm in the middle of organizing this closet. When you saw it, it looked all pretty, but everything's all over the place now. So I wanted to share this idea with you. See this rack here? It's an organizer, and what I did was I took some wire and I attached it to the top rack. And I made a little area for these little dolls. See what I'm saying? Now, maybe in the future I'll make some creations using these. They are just so cute that I had to share them with you, and I had to share where I have them. So yeah, you can use a rack like that for anything else. I'm just using it for these little dolls. I wanted to give you the idea. So yeah, so I'm working on this. Once I organize the entire closet, I will bring it back to you. And in the process, I will select certain items and I'll bring them to you up close. Okay, so I hope that you enjoyed, and thank you so much for watching.